Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, finished in its original colors of mimosa yellow, black interior, 4-speed, disc wheels. Excellent restoration on a 71,000 mile car. Really good paint. Great wheel and tire set. Brand new tires fitted. MONZA exhaust system. Do a little walk around here. Yeah, really good, honest body work. Very good paint, good glossy paint. Very good bright work. 71,000 mile car, really well preserved with this nice cosmetic restoration. Let's take a look at the trunk here. Yeah, 73 is a nice year because it's a nice year where it has the it doesn't have the overriders fitted yet, the big rubber overriders. Yeah, trunk kit's all nice and new in here. Tonneau cover, top boot. Just do another little slow walk around. Original windshield, as you can see there, original Tr6 windshield glass. Good windshield rubber fitted. Interior wise, brand new carpets, brand new soft top. Seats have been nicely restored with a little bit of extra padding, which is great. Super nice dash. Really good cosmetic condition. I think we're gonna do some visors and a couple other small minor knickknacks, but beautifully restored, fresh interior, original soft top boot. I think we're gonna do a snap conversion over to metal snaps on there. But yeah, full weather equipment, black top, that's absolutely brand new. Have a look at the still photos with matching tonneau cover and top boot, so all three pieces. Super nice restored wheel set with brand new tires that we just fitted. Really lovely, honest car. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. But yeah, take a look at the gaps. Really lovely gaps all the way around. Nice lenses, nice chrome. Like I said, that MONZA sports exhaust system. We're going to be doing a driving video on this one, so have a look out for that. This is the engine compartment on our 1973 Tr6. You can see it's all finished beautifully in original Mimosa. New radiator ducting. Super nice detailed engine compartment. Really good condition under the hood here. Beautifully kept, detailed, all fresh hoses, nicely restored, great looking engine. Yeah, so there you have it. This is our it's our 1973 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, finished in its original mimosa yellow, black interior, 4-speed disc wheels, black top, top boot, tonneau cover, speedos showing 71,000 original miles. And if you're in the market for a mimosa black Tr6, super good one here, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.